Hello, my name is Spund and I'm co-owner of FixEm Appliance Repair. We do appliance repair and preventative maintenance for residential customers in Alameda County and Contra Costa. Your washer, refrigerator, oven, dishwasher, all major and minor appliances. FixEm Appliance Repair has been around for about a year on paper, but myself and my partner, we've been doing this business in the Bay Area combined 10 years. We have a lot of experience and we're bringing them to you now with our personal touch.
Hi, I'm Nathan Framowitz. I am a head technician and co-owner of FixEm Appliance Repair. Me as the head technician coming into your house is not only to come and fix the appliance. My job is to make sure that you're not going to be fixing an appliance that will break down within a year or half a year after it's been repaired. So when I come into the house and check your appliance, I'm not only checking the specific problem that you called us out, I am checking the rest of the appliance to verify that everything else will be in working condition so you can enjoy this appliance for a long time.
We take the time to properly and professionally diagnose your machine. We're going to give you an accurate diagnostic estimate, breakdown of what's going on with your machine and any potential issues we see coming up. And if you approve the repair with us, we're going to cover you with a part and labor warranty. So any issues you have, we're going to be right back out there.
So we've trained our office and all the people to answer your phones to be able to diagnose simple problems that do not require a technician to come out in your house and diagnose the unit. If we can diagnose these problems over the phone, we will save you both money and time for having somebody to come out to your house.
When your fridge breaks down and your food is spoiling or your washing machine isn't working and the clothes are just piling up, we're able to come out there and fix it on the spot for you, and we see the look and happiness in our customers' faces that's worth it all.